want to see how I got this look, stay tuned and keep watching the rest of the video for how I got these nice curls. So first of all, I'm just going to start off by brushing the hair out. And this is 26 inches, by the way. I'm going to show you out the front. But I'm starting by brushing it out. And it's already, this unit I made by myself. I ordered the bundles from Aliexpress and I made it. So this is a frontal with 26-inch bundles. I got 26, 24, and 22. I only used one full bundle of 26 and half of 24. So I'm gonna start by using my Remington flat iron, and it's already on 410 degrees if y'all can see that. And this is what I'm gonna be using to straighten the hair first, and then we're gonna get into curling it. So before I start straightening, I'm gonna go in with my Tresemme heat protectant and spray it all over the hair so that when I straighten it, it don't damage it. Just don't spray it. I like to spray a lot. I'm a little bit heavy-handed with products, but so I just sprayed some. Just gonna rub it all over the hair. So now that I did that, I'm gonna start by sectioning the hair off and then brushing it out some. And then I'm gonna take my flat iron and just start straightening it. I love this flat iron, and I will be doing a review on this hair. So I'm gonna just continue to flat iron the whole head until everything is bone straight. Cause for this look, I'm trying to have like, I don't want my curls to be too frizzy. Like I want like pretty curls. So trying to get the hair as straight as possible. I need to buy me a mannequin stand so that this would be so much easier. But yep, so I'm gonna do this throughout the whole head and I'm gonna be right back. Okay, so now that the hair is nice and straightened out, 26 inches is gonna be ready for curling. Ooh, she's so pretty. Yes, look at that. This is probably one of the best companies I've shopped with on AliExpress. Even though there is some things that I did not like, I will be having a review about this hair in a separate video. I can't lie, this is one of the best. One of the best companies. So now I got my bobby pins and I'm going to be going in with my Revlon curling iron on the highest degree, which is 30. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it is 30 degrees. And I'm going to be going in with that, and we're going to start from the front. So I'm going to be starting on this side, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my comb, because you want this to be neat. I got some bobby pins ready on the side. So I'm going to take my comb and I'm going to part the section that I'm going to start with. Just part it. And then I like my parts neat. So I'm going to part that. Now that you got your section, you're going to go and get your curling iron. And I'm going to be curling upwards. So I'm not going to start all the way up here. I'm going to be starting like over here or something. And then I'm going to be curling it upwards. So kind of like this. then when I got it off, I'm gonna go ahead. Sometimes I gotta do this because it became stuck. I honestly don't like this curling iron because my hair became stuck. It's either the hair or the curling iron, maybe it's me. Oh no, but I'll put that there. I'm gonna hold the curl where it's at. Ooh, put my finger in there, roll it up some, and then I'm gonna just pin it down. What is that? It's too long. So I'm gonna get the pin, and I'm gonna just pin it down. If it'll let me. So that's one curl. And then I'm gonna literally do the exact same process to the rest of the hairs. So now that I moved to the back, I just wanted to come back to remind y'all that when I'm curling, like y'all gonna see like when I take the curls out, I don't start all the way up here. Like I don't go all the way up there. Like I leave some room. Like I start here, and that's where I'm gonna leave the curl at. So I'm gonna start the curl literally right here. I'm gonna give it some room. I'm gonna pull it down. Hold on. Pull it down. And I'm just curling in the opposite direction. Pull it down all the way to the end. It's gonna be out the camera because this hair is kind of long. It's pretty long. And then I'm just gonna roll upward. Instead of going down, you're gonna roll up. Gonna roll up, up, up. Whew. Now I'm gonna stop right there. I'm not gonna go, you know, all the way up there. I'm gonna stop right there so that the curls can still be pretty. I can still have like a little, like a sleek top, and then the curls fall on the bottom. So I just went and did my install. So now we're about to take down the curls, starting from the back, because as you can see, it's already falling down. So if you see me looking down, that's because I'm looking at my mirror. So yes. So we're just gonna take the curls down and see how it came out. Hey y'all, so my bad. I was recording me brushing out the curls, but I didn't realize my camera had died, and it's still dying. I have to put it back on the charger, but I just wanted to come back real quick to show you the final result. This is how the curls came out, and I like them. I think they're cute. I wanted it to be like this, but a little bit more curly, just a little bit. Not too curly though. I wanted like some soft, fluffy curls. So if you like the outcome, if you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all another time. Bye.